Hey guys, in part 2 of Google Calendar connection with Java, we are going to display events from beginning and display them on web browser using JSP framework. There are two parts that I have made. Links are given in the description. The first part is mandatory, which shows how to connect Java with Google Calendar and display events in terminal. The second part, which is actually 1.5, is the tutorial on how to create GSP project using Gradle. The reason why it is mentioned as 1.5 and not 2 is because it is a separate topic on its own. In this part we are going to merge whatever we made in 1 and 1.5, which reduces redundant steps and also makes this video short. From part 1 and 1.5, those two folders were created. We first get all available events by making small changes in code. As you can see, no future event is available. Go to our Java file and just add 0 in datetime constructor and that is it. Now if you re-execute, you will get result starting from the first event. You can make changes in setMax result function value to change maximum count of results. Go inside src main, copy Java and resources folder and go to JSP folder. Paste them in src then main folder. Now again go to connection folder and copy tokens folder. Paste it in JSP where the build.gradle file is. Now the copy pasting is done. Now go to connection folder and open build.gradle file in text editor, in my case the Sublime text. Now go to JSP and also open its build.gradle in text editor. We have to cut paste the calendar Java file inside org folder to access package. Now we have to copy paste the build Gradle requirement from connections Gradle to JSP Gradle. First, for plugin, use the JSP Gradle syntax. Then copy paste that whole paragraph. Copy paste the function. Copy paste commands and libraries. Now we are going to run to make sure that build.gradle is correct or not. Run that IP address in browser's URL. It is working. Now open Servlet in text editor at where we are going to call calendar class. Notice that we move this quick start file inside org folder. Open that in text editor. Because it is inside org folder, name the package as org. Also notice that Servlet has the package called org.gradle.demo, which denotes the Servlet file location. Now import that org package in calendar quick start file. Rename the function from main to get event. You can use any name and make sure that return type is string. What we are going to do is to convert events into string and return it to display them in Servlet. Make sure to return that string at the ending of function. Now call that class inside Servlet and create an instance, in my case CQ. I forgot to append string here. Notice that the function throws exception, so we have to call that function in try catch block. Copy the output link and call that function. Let's go to terminal and execute the command again. Now if you click on hello, we shall see all the events.